What's going on, everyone? As usual, this is Liam from Teal, and today we're going to be talking about the massively daunting document that is your resume. Now, we do a lot of different resume talk and tips here, but with how different everyone's job search and career experience and resume is, there's only so many specific examples we can give. So in this video, we're going to go over 3 questions you can ask yourself about your resume. These questions are going to get you thinking down the right direction, kind of stage the action you can take, but ultimately it is your career experience, which you know best. So take these questions, apply them to your resume, and go from there. Let's do it. Alright, so we are here in the Teal Resume Builder, and looking at our resume, we want to head down to the work experience section because these questions are all about our bullet point achievements. The first question you want to ask yourself is, are your achievements leaving the reader with a so what? It is a common resume error to just list your job responsibilities, but that is going to lead to the so what reaction if you're not also showing impact. We do have an example here we're going to roll with throughout the video, so if we go here to our career history, add an achievement, our example achievement is going to be, I changed a light bulb. Now, that's a great starting point, but that is more of a responsibility. We're not getting a whole lot of impact here. So what? You changed a light bulb. Why does your company care? You want to think about the end result. In our example here, was it to make the room brighter? Was it to increase energy efficiency or reduce electricity costs for the company? In our Teal Resume Builder, when you're working on an achievement, we do have some example questions to help you figure that out. Those are found on the right half of the page. So some of those questions are, did you make the company money or did you save the company money? Did you improve some kind of existing process? We have a whole bunch of examples there to get you thinking. Run these questions against your current achievement to figure out that impact. And in our case, we're going to improve this achievement to changed light bulbs to make facilities brighter and reduce energy costs. That is already a much better achievement. That does also answer the so what. Now that our achievement is in a much better place already, the next step is going to be to add some numbers in here. So the next question you want to ask yourself is, what metrics can you attach to this achievement? Even if your job doesn't entail working with numbers or even like the numbers side of a business like sales, for example, every job and every achievement can involve some metrics. Let's take our example here, changed light bulbs to make facilities brighter and reduce energy costs. The way we can add metrics here is think about a success marker and a time-based statement. The easiest way to start thinking about that is look at your achievement and think about how many, how much, and in how long. Our example here, changed light bulbs, how many, that's a completely valid marker. But in our example here, we're saying make facilities brighter. That's what we're marking as our impact. So how much brighter? We can apply a 10x metric to that. We can say made facilities 10 times brighter. Our achievement also reduced energy costs, so we can ask by how much. It can be kind of difficult to remember something that maybe happened 6 months ago, so we always recommend keeping track and keeping notes every single month of your work wins. So when it comes time to updating our resume, we reduce the energy costs by 15%. Then again, we want to put a time-based statement to this, so the energy savings were held every single month after, so we reduce energy costs by 15% month over month. If we quickly look back at where we started, I changed the light bulb, that was our starting point. Well, so what? We improved it to changed light bulbs to make facilities brighter and reduce energy costs. Now we throw in our metrics, changed light bulbs to make facilities 10 times brighter and reduce energy costs by 15% month over month. That is already much better, starting from what might have seemed like just a simple achievement, but we still have one more step to go. The third question to ask yourself about your bullet points is, are you speaking about your achievements confidently and with strong action verbs? It might feel somewhat uncomfortable to talk about yourself and your experience in a confident, high manner, but that is exactly what your resume is for. This is a place for professional flexing, so don't be shy. If we look at our achievement, as it stands already, this is pretty solid, but we can do some better work. Changed the light bulbs? Sure, but what about installed lighting fixtures? That sounds a whole lot better. Make facilities brighter? Yes, indeed, but increasing facility visibility has a nice ring to it, and reduced energy costs by 15%. Honestly, that sounds great. We can leave that one alone. The main idea here is you want to own your achievements. So stay away from things like assisted with or responsible for. Those might be technically accurate, but you're just looking for something a bit more powerful. So one last time, top to bottom, we started our achievement with, I changed a light bulb. Well, so what? Let's add some impact. We changed light bulbs to make facilities brighter and reduce energy costs. That's a huge bump right there. Let's add some metrics. Changed light bulbs to make facilities 10 times brighter and reduce energy costs by 15% month over month. That is 99% there, but that's not quite as flexy as we can get. So with our final achievement, installed lighting fixtures to increase facility visibility by 10x and reduce energy costs by 15% month over month. That is a pretty rockstar final achievement and hopefully gives you a good idea of how you can take a resume achievement, and even one that might not seem so grand, and turn it into something with some pretty awesome impact. But bonus tip, if you're looking for an even easier way to write an effective resume achievement, if you're a Teal Plus member, you can attach a job here in your resume builder, and under add an achievement, you can click generate with AI, and it'll write you a really awesome achievement that's based on the job description, which is going to save you a bunch of time and work as a really great starting point for you to tailor to your own experience. Well, thank you so much for your time today. We hope you enjoyed yourself. Drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. And if you're not familiar with the Teal platform, check out the links below to get started. Thank you again. See you again soon.